Let's start from Palmyra, the first cluster of MR Oasis. There was 4-bedroom and 5-bedroom standalone villas. So 4-bedroom sizes were starting from 5,800 built up area, and plot area was like 8,200. For the Palmyra 4-bedroom, built up area was 5,800 and plot areas 8,200 starting. And that's the average size for the 4-bedroom. And price was like 9.7 million, the starting price, up to 10.5 million. How many clusters they have launched till now? Palmyra 1, Palmyra 2, Mirage and La Vita. Palmyra 1 and Palmyra 2 is 4 and 5-bedroom villas. Okay. 4-bedroom size is starting from 5,800 built up area. Plot area average size is approx 8,200 up to 8,500 for the 4-bedroom. With the 5-bedroom built up area is starting from 8,000 and plot area is above 10,000 square feet. 4-bedroom price starting is 9.7 million and 5-bedroom price was starting from 12 million dirham. And the payment plan for this entire community is a standard payment plan, which is 80-20. 80% during construction, 20% at the time of handover.
Handover in
2028.
When they launched their first cluster?
Last year. And 2024. And then the second launch was for Mirage. Mirage, they are having 5 and 6-bedroom standalone villas, huge size villas on the lagoon.
so that water body is lagoon.
That is lagoon and that is a swimmable lagoon. 5-bedroom Mirage starting size.
5 and 6 bedroom standalone.
So 5-bedroom starting size, we have 11,300 for the 5-bedroom
This is plot size?
plot size. And the built up is approx 10,000, 10,500. जी मैंने खुद ही खोला है.
Guys, which other project do you know of Amman where Amman is giving or have given basements in the villas?
Naki, Palm Jabal.
No, in Dubai Hills. In Dubai Hills.
No, Iman never gave basements.
Mansion with you.
No.
In the mansions.
Yes. People make their own basements and they purchase plots. Where Amman gave you plots. Any Amman gave you basements where?
Oasis.
Oasis, yes, it is in
Yes.
front of us, we know. Thank you so much. Who is the brand ambassador of Amman Oasis?
Shah Rukh Khan. Everybody knows.
Where is the location of Amman Oasis?
Behind,
Excuse me? Yes?
Or it will be connected to Kelvin.
I'll tell you.
In the future, yes. E44. And behind is Emirates Road.
What are the types of villas launched so far? Last?
Palmyra 1 and 2,
No,
Mirage,
I'm not asking the cluster names, types of villas.
4 and 5 beds.
Okay. She sold 6-bedroom.
I just said in Mirage we have 5 and 6-bedroom, and then we have mansions, 6 and 7-bedroom mansions.
Have you shown them the location on Google Earth?
No, not yet.
Show them the location. How many phases of Oasis have been launched already? 4. Wait guys, your name is Abir? Go wear petticoat blouse like that. If your name is Adil. Tell me. If you know so much, why are you not selling? Show them on Google Earth, the remarks now. Guys, when someone tells you I want something closer to the city, what you tell them is that, sir, I will have to arrange your meeting with Muhammad Al Abbas because he owns Burj Park, which is just down of Burj Khalifa, next to Burj Khalifa. The communities in Dubai from Burj Khalifa have been sold out and have been selling from 2008 onwards. There is nothing left. The closest options available today is in and around Global Village, and that too very expensive. 3-bedroom townhouse is 3 million in Athlone and Heaven, in that road. Imar Oasis is simply opposite Majid Al Futtaim, next to the Mac Lagoon. So it's on Sheikh Hamdan bin Nahyan Street, closer to DIP. That's it. You see where Reemram ends? Check. अरे कहाँ चली जा रही
ढूंढी चली जा रही हूँ
है? ये है तो
हाँ ये सामने ही है ना
Nadeem, can you tell me where Damak Hills is? Guys, you are in the business of locations. You should know aerial view better than any other person. That's why you are real estate
Right
consultants. Right, good. Virgin Nadeem, right. Damak Hills.
Yes, gone right.
Go show me on this. Here, Damak Hills. Akar, this is desert, even you are blind. This is Damak Hills in desert. This is Damak Hills. This portion, Nadeem. Arabian Ranches 2. Arabian Ranches 1. Polo City. Polo and Equestrian Club. What? This one. Can you see, guys? Damak Hills. This is Lagoons.
and this is
Paradise.
Talal Al
Majid Al Futtaim, Tilal Al Ghaf, Jumeirah Golf Estate, and this is Oasis.
Victory High Plus above the Talal Al
Victory Heights. So now you understand where the location is?
Yes.
This is called the Villa Hub of Dubai. All developers. Modon is by which developer? Dubai Properties. Damak. Arabian Ranches 2 is by Imar. Next to it is Sustainable City. It is by
Diamond developers.
Diamond Developers. Waha and Serena are by
Dubai
Dubai Properties. Nashama, the Town Square, Mira Oasis, and here is
Sun City.
Sun City, the Mac
Cherry
Woods.
Woods.
And Cherry Woods. Right, so this is the Villa Hub of Dubai. So Imar Oasis sits right in the center, and this is DIP. This is DIP. This is Pulse Dubai South right. This is Dubai South area. This is Al Maktoum Airport. Behind it is Imar South. So you see the difference between Oasis and this. Oasis is right in the center of the villa stock of Dubai. Any questions on location?
Oasis also has the access from Emirates Road.
Yeah, both.
Both.
Yeah, good. Look at the block. Yes. Look. Yeah. And let's show. And next to Oasis, whose plot is this? Ilias?
Outside. Side on.
No, that's up. That's this one.
Okay.
Now nobody speaks. You tell me what's coming here. Shari? Soraya?
MR Polo Club.
Yes. Imar Polo. This cross you see next to Oasis is Jamaat Riverside, where you'll have this building and apartments coming. Next to it is Imar Polo. What is here, Lavish?
Imar Heights.
Imar Heights. Now you understand, Mr. Virgin Nadeem? Go. Ask questions to Ms. Naila. Ms. Naila has been selected because from this company she has sold the maximum units in Imaro as well. And believe me, it is not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And all 5 and 6 beds. She did not get the 4-bed till.
Any question about Miraj? There is 5 and 6 bedroom villas on the lagoon. Average plot size for 5 bedroom is starting from 11,000 square feet. Built up area is starting from 10,300 up to 11,000. And price is starting from 15.5 million up to 18 million for the 5 bedroom. 6 bedroom plot area average size is starting from 15,000, that's up to 18,000 square feet for the 6 bedroom on the lagoon. Okay. Built up area is starting from 11,000 up to 11,500. And price for the 6 bedroom is starting from 20 million onwards. There was units 20 million, 21 million, 22 million, up to 25 million. It's depend on the location of the unit where it was exactly located. And there was a payment plan 80-20 and handover is again in 2028 second quarter. Then again, because the demand was so high for the 4 bedroom, so they decide to launch again a 4 bedroom and 5 bedroom, which was Palmyra 2. And the same sizes for the 4 bedroom. 8,500 plot area, 5,600 built up area. But the price was different. 10.5 starting price for the 4 bedroom. Yeah. And 5 bedroom, again 12,000 square feet, 11 to 12,000 square feet. But the price was approx 13 to 14 million for the 5 bedroom. It's completely sold out. And now there is reselling for these projects. In the secondary market, you can see the transaction on Dubai Interact. It's like 10%, 14% transaction happened last year in December. And in the month of January, there was like 10% premium transaction on these units in Palmyra and Miraj. And recently they have launched big mansions over there. Again on the lagoon, it was only 60 mansions. How many?
60.
60. It was 6 and 7 bedroom mansions. But the sizes were huge. Like a 6 bedroom was approx, you can say 21,000 starting size. Plot. And the built up was 18,000 square feet.
Plot were?
21,000 square feet.
And the build-up was
18,000.
80,000.
But each mansion is having a different size. But this was the starting size, average you can say. Price was 38 million dirham.
What's the limit?
Yeah, Lavita Mansions. Yeah, this is the latest one which they have. They still have some mansions over there. So 6 bedroom, plot size 21,000 square feet, built up area 18,000 square feet, 6 bedroom mansions. Okay, price was like 38 million, starting price.
7 bedroom?
7 bedroom size is approx 28,000 plot,
28,000.
and the built up was approx 22,000 square feet.
40 to 45 million. 45 to 50,000.
Yes.
45 to 50.
No, the price for the 7 bedroom was 57 million, starting price.
Starting
What's
Yes.
Shell
20
Core? Not like.
No, it is not shell and core.
Are you sure?
Yes.
This was
It is.
also 80/20?
57.
Yes, 80/20 payment plan for the Levita mentioned also. As I told you, for this community, they have the standard payment plan 80/20. Now they are going to plan to launch the branded villas in this entire clusters. That is address villas. Address villas will be 4 and 5 bedroom, but price for the 4 bedroom is going to start from the 14 million dirham. Built up area you can say 6,000, plot will be approx 8,500.
No, once again, address villas are same over there.
Yes, 4 and 5 bedroom.
Orange cluster, like
They are going to launch a new cluster, and that will be a branded cluster. It will be address villas,
Okay. And plot?
designed by address. Address is not going to manage those villas. Same like Dubai Hills.
4 bedroom?
But it will be luxury. The quality will be more nice than the previous one.
Okay. 4 bedroom plot will be?
You can say 8,500 will be the starting size for the plot, and 6,000 will be the built up area. Price will be like 13 to 14 million dirham for the 4 bedroom, and there will be the same payment plan like 80/20. 20% will be the down payment, and then 5 bedroom will be starting from 20 million dirham.
Size, plot size?
For the 5 bedroom, plot size you can say will be like 11,500 to 12,000. But we are not still very sure about the sizes because we didn't get entire information till now.
And build up area?
And built up you can say will be approx 8,500, 9,000, and price 20 million. Same payment plan 80/20. Soon they are going to release these villas
the price will be
in the month of Feb only.
20 million.
20 million for the 5 bedroom.
So we can work on it?
Yes. This is the purpose to give you the briefing about the previous launch, that we have to focus on the address villas, the new upcoming launch. 4 and 5 bedroom, 14 million will be the price for the 4 bedroom, 8,500 will be the plot area, 6,000 will be the built up area.
Built up 5,000 up to 9,000?
Yes. And plot will be 11 to 12, between 11 to 12.
Starting price 20
20 million, yes. And same 80/20 payment plan.
Okay.
Anytime they are going to release, maybe in the month of Feb, anytime. So we should focus on this. Any question about MROSs? Service charges will be 4.5 dirham per square feet. This is average service charges for MR. 4.5 dirham per square feet. It's only standalone villas. They are not going to launch any small townhouses because this is one of the most luxury community by Emaar.
So it will be a lagoon facing all or lagoon based community, or it will be different?
It is lagoon based community. Each and every villa is having waterfront.
This will be also swimmable lagoons?
Yes, the lagoon is swimmable, and there will be beaches also. There is cycling track. There is all the standard amenities which Emaar is giving in entire communities. There will be the community center. There will be the mosque, and of course the metro station also.
How many floors?
It's basement plus G plus 2. All like this. Yes. Basement plus ground plus 2 floor.
All of this community, Lavita, Palmyra 2, Miraj, everyone?
All.
Basement and G plus 2.
All OSCs have
Location is Hamdan Al Nahyan. Everybody knows that it's next to Damak Lagoon. Its opposite side is Masjid Al Fateh, where they have sold mansion from 50 million up to 92 million dirham. And then right side there is Damak Hills. Any question related to this community? Related to Palmyra 1, Palmyra 2, Miraj? How many number of units we have in Miraj? 204 units. It's 123 5 bedroom and 80 60 bedroom.
Total 203.
80 81.
80, 60 units.
Total is 204. Just write down the total number of units. 204.
80 units of 6 bedroom and
81 unit is 6 bedroom and 123 is the 5 bedroom. Currently it is sold out, but still if you get any inquiry, they can give you something in cancellation, because on and off there is cancellation still coming in Miraj 5 and 6 bedroom.
Palmyra 2, how many number of units was there?
It was not mentioned because there was 2 phases, so they didn't mention. Yes, 5 and 6 bedroom.
And Lavita?
20 million for the 5 bedroom up to 22 million, and 4 bedroom 5 bedroom was like 15 million up to 18 million. Yes,
Lavita number of units?
60. So yes, 6 bedroom built up area 19,000 and plot 22,000. 7 bedroom built up area 28,500, plot 34,769 up to, and prices was 57.7 million starting for the 7 bedroom, and 6 bedroom starting prices were like 38 million. And they were giving like 4% commission for this. No need for the airdrops anymore. You can check here.
Near to community center.
No.
You can check the sizes. Guys, this all information about Lavita and everything, this is already in our MR groups, if you check. Yeah. So, how many clusters they have launched in MR Oasis?
4.
What is the name?
3 clusters they have launched.
Just 1 second. Okay, what is the name? For the MRSs.
Understanding it.
For MRSs, how many clusters they have launched? Till now, 4 clusters. Palmyra 1, Palmyra 2, Miraj and Lavita. Lavita is mentioned, 6, 7 bedroom. Okay. Palmyra 1, 2, 4 and 5 bedroom. Miraj is 5 and 6 bedroom. How much is the payment plan? 80-20. Okay. 4 bedroom price was starting from 9.7 million and 5 bedroom price was starting from 12 million initially. But now it's different prices. Okay. What else?
Location.
Yeah, that's located on Hamdan Al Nahyan Road. Hamdan Al Nahyan Road, you know Damak Hills, the same road. It's going towards the Dubai South. Hamdan Al Nahyan. D54?
Yes, between Emirates Road and Hamdan.
D57.
Between Emirates Road from this side.
Yes.
And from that side, Hamdan.
Exactly. Behind side is Emirates Road and this is
Road, United.
in the yes, in the middle. Yes, opposite to DIP.
دمار هيلز. واجي على من جهه هاي حمزه من جهه البحر عند تلال الغرب من جهه اليسار.
Opposite to Tilal Al Ghaf. Like this side is Tilal Al Ghaf, this is Hamdan Al Nahyan Road, this is Lagoon, and this is MRSs. Any other question?
Question is,
Yes.
at it's a basically motivation question I'm asking you. As Mr. Sabi said that you already sold mashallah so many units over there.
Yes.
So how you are getting the clients there? That's my question.
Honestly speaking, this is a one family who's dealing with me from Pakistan, and I got that customer from the data calling.
Excellent.
Data calling
Which
is,
data? Mansions, townhouses, downtown.
it was a very, very, very old data, like Kachra, and Sami, he was laughing on me that this is Kachra data, why you are wasting your time, better to call on the leads or take reshuffles. I called him in 2022 February. He purchased the first property after 1 year of follow-up. He purchased from me in District West, 2 units. Then in 2023, he purchased 8 more units in Emaar South, Fairways Villas. Then in 2024, he purchased from me this Emaar Oasis, Palmyra, and then 6 bedrooms of Miraj. So many units. But from where I got the customer? From the data calling. You should call on the data. Don't think this is the new data or this is the old data. Data is data. There is customer. Even if they have sold the unit, they are still the buyer. They are still the investors. Call them. I can give you one more tip if you wanted to work on that. If you can get the data of Victory Heights, they are mostly European and they are rich people, rich European. You can try with them your luck.
हाँ वही ना ये तो 1-2 मिलियन सजेस्ट कर रहे हो उसमें तो हाँ बोल नहीं रहे उसमें attack हो रहे हैं।
Victoria Heights.
Victory Heights, yeah.
Gulf states, I believe.
It's difficult to find the data for them, but to still try your luck. Any question? Anything?
Okay, just if you can share the details because I'm not.
I will send this presentation in the group.
The prices of 6 bedroom and 7 bedroom house. So if some client asks that why I invest on that place, so what we answer?
I didn't get your question. Like for the 6 and 7 bedroom, this is mentioned. If you see the plot size, it's I think 1100 per square feet. In 1100 per square feet, who is giving you mention? And this is waterfront community by Emaar. Opposite side, Majid Al Fatem in Talal Al Ghaf, they are selling mansions smaller than this size at 50 million, 55 million. Serenity Mansion. Compare with that community. And then remind them what is Emaar. The way Emaar, they are managing their community, no one is managing their communities. For this community, your competitive is Talal Al Ghaf people.
Major nationality are Indians only or like Pakistanis?
Indian, Pakistani and European. Iranian, of course, also. Iranian, yes. They have purchased a lot in this project. उसको बोला माँ चुदाओ जहाँ पे और कहीं पे मेंशन लॉन्च हो रहा है वहाँ पे ले लो. I've just told you why. Where? Okay, you tell me where is other mentions community, waterfront mentions community? Is there any?
With this price.
Yeah, with this per square feet price, is there any community? No.
ये big ticket के client ऐसे comparison और ये सब नहीं करते।
They will never ask you.
They don't ask such questions.
If he doesn't want this location, then sell him Palm Jabal Ali. Okay. Let's buy a plot, 45 million dirham, and you can build your own mansion 7 bedroom. Because now the 7 bedroom on Palm Jabal Ali will be also 45, 50 million plus. Yes. But people, most of the people, they are afraid from Palm Jabal Ali because they launched in 2018 8 or 9 and then they stop the construction, and again people are saying, oh, it is going to take 10, 15 years, 20 years. Okay, then trust Emaar. Take this community. It is surrounded with all the developed communities already. If you see the lagoon, they start giving the handover. Talal Al Ghaf, there is already people, they start living. And this is also very close to the downtown and Palm Jumeirah. It's not very far. You can say maybe 25 minutes drive from the downtown, 25 minutes drive from the Palm Jumeirah. And in the future there will be metro station also. And once the new airport, Al Maktoum Airport, once it will be under the operation, then it will be the center. Already prices are appreciated over there. I just told you that I have seen the transaction of 14% premium. People, they are not stupid. They will not ask you why we will buy here. You can compare with Dubai Hills. There was a time when they launched Dubai Hills, Emaar, they launched Dubai Hills. People, they were laughing, oh, what happened with the Emaar? They were selling in downtown, they were selling in Dubai Marina. Now they start selling next to the JVC. It's desert, it's this, it's that, there is no metro, there is nothing. And today, it's a dream for the people to purchase a house in Dubai Hills.
1,900 to 2,200 square feet for rent apartments.
250 million dirham mansions they are selling in Dubai Hills now. It's completely sold out project from the developer. There is no more villas or mansions. Yes.
One question.
Any other question?
There is one road which is connected the backside of the Dalal. That road is connected to Sheikh Side?
That is Asail Road, no? That is going to be connected towards Sheikh Zayed, yes. But no idea where it is going. There is one road, I know, behind the Victory Height. पहले तलाल की ऑफिस में जाने के लिए वो रोड हम यूज़ करते थे. But that is going to connect it with the... Yes. Yes, but that is not the major highway.
So address villas will only be 4 bedrooms?
4 and 5.
What are the prices, sizes?
अभी तो बताया था. 5 bedroom will be like 20 million, not less than this.
20 to 22.
ROI
12 to 18%.
When are we expecting this one to come?
12 to 18%.
address might be in Feb. It will be, you can say 8 to 9% ROI return, rental. Yes, in any communities of the villas, there is always 8 to 9%, not more than this even. We can't say 10%. We don't know the situation of the market. ROI will, it depends.
Something to like to put it on rent. To be honest.
Yes, this is
So just focus on the
basically this is for the end users.
Yeah.
But even if you say yes for investment, 4 bedroom, yes, but the rental will be, you can say you cannot get more than 8 to 9%.
If we are talking to an investor, what are the points we can say to them to consider this? As you told us that it only belongs to the end users. Like if you are having a conversation.
It's not only for the end user. It is for the investors also, for the flipping. Buy this now during the construction, sell it with a high premium.
But not 6 months.
No, 1.5 year, 40% they can get their premium.
After 30-40%.
But they won't be able to make profit if they are going to take a 1 unit or something, because.
How you can say, how you can calculate he is not able to.
Because they are taking 1 unit, right? And as you said, the price per square feet is 1100 something, and they are also launching.
People, they have purchased at 1100 per square feet. Now they are selling at 1300 square feet per square feet. So they are making profit, bro. On Palmyra. I just told you 14% premium. What does it mean?
And every developer.
It's already in profit.
हर क्लस्टर बनाने के बाद दूसरा क्लस्टर थोड़ा प्लस में ही बेचता है.
I have a question. one
I think the
question.
concept
Like,
of this
no
is
client on the call will tell like my budget is 40 million or 30, 35 million, correct? So they are gonna start with like 3-4 million or maximum 5 million. So what do you like? How do you?
You should arrange a meeting with them at Emaar Sales Center. Start from the Valley, explain him about Valley and then Emaar South, and then bring him towards the Emaar Oasis. When you will sit with him 5-6 minutes, you will get the idea that this person is having 10-20 million dirham in his pocket or no. That's why meeting is always very important to filter the client. When he will tell you I have the budget for 4 to 5 million, it's already filtered that yes, he is a genuine buyer. Then second step is to arrange a meeting with him at the developer office. Give him the presentation about the available projects like Valley, like Emaar South. And then if you see, yes, he's saying, okay, no problem, this is a good project, yes, this is the nice project, this is his. Then explaining about, okay, if you can afford this, why not Emaar Oasis? But Emaar Oasis, now that 9.7, 10 million dirham game is already gone. Now whatever will be there, 14, 15 million will be the starting price. This is the minimum.
how will you see the address villas now? What do you think about that? That how it will be more faster than all these
Yes.
launch?
Yes. Might be you guys doesn't know, the 50% of the inventory is getting sold by the diamond customer and platinum customer of Emaar directly inside the office. The remaining 50% inventory, do you think there is no broker? There is 60,000 registered RERA certified broker in the market. And like us, there is so many.
So it will be quick sale even.
Yes, because it's branded. People who have purchased in previous communities and has made money, they will definitely invest into this.
People who know the address very well, that
Yes, yes. And mostly European will buy this project. Any other question, guys? So now you know about Emaar Oasis, everything, clusters, payment plans. What is the payment plan for La Vita?
2020.
When is the handover?
2028.
When?
Second quarter.
Third quarter.
You told us second half.
No, that is for the Mirage. For La Vita, I didn't tell you the handover date even.
Okay, there is Palmyra.
What will be the service charges?
4 to 4.5.
Yes. So what's the transaction going on over there?
14%.
That was only one villa. Now I see in January the last transaction is 10%. Yes, 10 to 11%, between 10 to 11%.
in 6 months it doesn't coincide.
जनवरी में हुई है 11% प्रीमियम के साथ.
It's from 14%.
Yes.
तो आपको उसका OP कैसे पता लगता है? When you compare recent transaction price से उसका OP आप क्या किस हिसाब से लेंगे?
जब लॉन्च होते हैं ना सनी जी, तो वो हम लोगों को पूरी वो भेजते हैं ना एक फैक्ट शीट, उसमें स्टार्टिंग प्राइसेस होती हैं. ये स्टार्टिंग प्राइसेस मैंने अभी बताई है ना आप लोगों को, ये स्टार्टिंग प्राइसेस थी. तो जब वो सेकेंडरी में सेल करते हैं, दुबई इंट्रैक्शन में दिखाता है कि ये इस प्राइस के ऊपर सेल हुआ है. इफ यू चेक दुबई इंटरेस्ट, यू विल सी ईच एंड एवरीथिंग ओवर देयर, इवन पर स्क्वायर फीट प्राइस, एट व्हाट पर स्क्वायर फीट प्राइस दे हैव सोल्ड इट.
Every unit have their own OP basis. तो वो आपको ट्रांजैक्शन में पता चल जाता है ना, उसमें लिखा हुआ है, उसमें ऐप के अंदर आपके लिखा होता है ओपी क्या थी, उसमें वो भी शो किया हुआ.
बट एवरेज प्राइसेस हम लोगों को तो पता ही होती हैं. 4 बेडरूम 9.7 से स्टार्ट हुआ है. तो थैंक यू सो मच गाइस. थैंक यू.